launching Project Digital Design and 3D Printing Center of Excellence to augment and support upskilling and jobs under the auspicious PM Divine program. The first event in the series of Ideation Day events will be held in Tripura University, Agartala on Monday, June 17, 2024, which is open to all students, entrepreneurs from across NER. This groundbreaking project will help to commercialize many new business ideas, creating jobs for youth and women entrepreneurs. Stage 1, Ideation Day Hackathon. Prize money of Rs 11,000 for each of the shortlisted teams. Stage 2, Final Hackathon to be held in first week of August 2024 in Guwahati. Grand prizes up to Rs 50 lakh, both cash and kind, to be awarded to the top 5 teams each. Come, participate and bring your idea to life. Register on our website www.3dpcoe.in.